How to make a flipbook in Canva. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a flipbook in Canva. Okay, so it is super easy. We are going to start by going to our home page in Canva, and you are going to type in storybook here. Okay, and you're going to click on it, and it'll take you to multiple Canva templates. Okay, you can make your own here at the Create Blank Storybook, but here are many templates to choose from. Just remember that we are using the Canva Pro, so there might not be all the features on the Canva free, but we will leave a link down in the description. Okay, so let's get started. Let's choose this one. Now we are going to click customize this template. Okay, and we're just going to wait for it to load. Okay, it's taking a little bit longer today, and let's just go to this one. So we've chosen a design. You can add elements, text, do all the normal things on Canva. You can delete, edit the image however you want. And then when you're done, you're going to click the share, and you're going to scroll down to more. And then you're going to go down to the bottom, and you'll see the simple booklet flip, and you're going to click on it. And then you are going to click save, and mine is already doing it automatically. But if you're not subscribed to the Flipboard app, then you are going to have to sign in with your email. I've already done that, so it will send you a link to your email, and you will go to their dashboard as of so. But let's just go to view in simple book flip. Then it'll open on the dashboard, and you can type in convert. Okay, and when you click on it, it will give you the options, and you will get this. Remember, this is also just on the free version, so you can get the paid version also, and you can do a lot of things with it. You can record an audio if you want, and you can share, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You can also choose, do you want a hard book, page call, single page, trifold. Let's try the single page, but notepad. Okay, and you can design it however you want. It's just loading the preview. Okay guys, thank you for listening in. I hope this could help. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. And yeah, stay tuned for more wonderful tips.